Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Dr. Shilpa Kulkarni, holistic health expert. I am passionate about helping women with PCOS, and my goal is to empower 100,000 women to achieve weight loss so that they can live a life of hormonal harmony and health. In my video series, I share lots of untold truths and facts about PCOS and weight loss. I also share easy to follow tips so that you can master hormonal harmony. We already know that PCOS is number one leading cause of infertility in women, and still there is so much unknown about it. It's really important to understand all the facts so that together we can overcome this PCOS situation. So let's start. Today I am going to share with you three lesser known truths about PCOS which will entirely change your perspective as it has changed how I treat my patients. In last 20 years I have helped thousands of patients struggling with weight loss, especially those with PCOS. And what I understood from this experience is that it's really hard to manage PCOS as a disease if you keep on managing just the symptoms. And weight gain is just a symptom, just like irregular periods. And if you really want to reverse the condition, you have to work on the root cause. And when it comes to PCOS, what we have been told? It's metabolic disorder caused by genetic and or unknown factors. Well, let's find out if it's 100% truth. Before that, let me give you an example. Imagine there is this very famous school. In that school, couple of students are constantly failing in the exam. So we can logically guess that it's probably the students. It's their fault they didn't study well. But imagine if in that school 60 to 70% starts failing constantly. Now will you still keep on blaming it on students or logically guess this it might be a school system? And you will try to find out what's really wrong, if it's teachers or their teaching style. It's a common sense, right? So now keep this example in your mind and tell me, if the world's 60 to 70% population is struggling with weight issues, 20% child-bearing age women are suffering from PCOS, do you still think it's just individual genes? No. So, first lesser known truth about PCOS is that it's not your genes. In fact, your environmental, microenvironmental factors, all endocrine disruptors, your microbiome disruptors, all are equally or even more responsible for weight gain and PCOS. Second fact, which actually entirely changed how I treat my patient, and it will change your approach towards weight and PCOS too. And it's that you can control your genes. Yes, you heard it correctly. For years, we believed that genes control everything and we can't do anything about it. Well, that's not 100% true. There are environmental factors, behavior factors like your diet, your exercise, your lifestyle, which is known as epigenetic factors, and it can control the genes expression. Yes, these epigenetic factors literally work as an on and off switch for gene expression. So you are literally in charge of deciding if you want to suffer with conditions like PCOS, excess weight issues, or use epigenetic factors and turn off that gene and live a completely normal, healthy life. Is that easy? Third interesting fact, which actually recently came to light and it literally blew my mind. We used to think that everything about human body depends on 23 pairs of chromosome. But now we know that it's way more than that. Our bodies are full of tiny bacteria or viruses known as microbiome. They live inside our intestine, our lungs, and even on the surface of our skin. These microbiomes have symbiotic relationship with host body, and there is a two-way communication between human host and microbiome. It's so amazing, right? And more to that, scientists have discovered we have 10 to 100 trillions of microbiome. And as a cumulative effect, they can easily empower our 23 pairs of chromosomes. If you really want to lose weight and keep it off or reverse your PCOS, that's why you have to work on your microbiome first. So in conclusion, if you find someone telling you can't keep off your weight or ever reverse your PCOS because it's your genes, think twice. I hope you found this video informative. Please like and share this video with others, and also subscribe to my channel for more useful videos like this. Thank you so much.